Hello and welcome to A&D Collision in Haslett, Michigan. We'd like to thank you for choosing us. If you follow me, I'll give you a brief tour of the facility. In the event you're involved in an after-hours collision or require after-hours drop-off, we have a box that's conveniently located for you. Upon arrival to A&D Collision, you'll be greeted by one of two fantastic estimators. Behind them is Ian Hagen, the body shop manager. At our facility, we only use state-of-the-art equipment, such as Kiko glue pulling, Spinesi 3D measuring systems, Robine Air AC evacuation and recharge systems, ProSpot I4 resistance spot welder, ProSpot SP5 aluminum, silicon bronze, and steel 3-whip welder, nitrogen plastic welding, sunlight dustless sand systems. Additionally, we've partnered with 3M to bring you only the best in collision-related products, such as 3M panel bonds and adhesives. After you have made initial contact to have your vehicle estimated, you will receive a welcome letter. And that welcome letter will name your service writer or estimator assigned to you. We'd like to thank you for choosing us, A&D Collision in Haslett, Michigan.